Hey guys, this is Leo from Germantech. For those who already know us or Germantech, of course you know that we are a Porsche specialist, that we are a Porsche service and repair center. Recently we have extended our company and have our Porsche certified pre-owned cars just beside our service center. So for those who are interested to get a pre-owned car of Porsche. What I like to share today is our refurbishment program. Whether a vehicle is a classic vehicle or it's just a vehicle that has really grown onto your heart, a Porsche car that you really like, over a certain period of usage, the leatherworks will always give in a little bit, will give a little bit away. Some scratches here, scuffs, marks there. I'm sitting at the moment in a special edition of a Cayman S. This particular production number is number 207 of 700 cars that have ever been produced of this particular special edition. Now, this special edition comes with sport seats, with Alcantara handbrake lever, with Alcantara shift knob, as well as Alcantara steering wheel. It's a little bit of a piano finish in the inside, which of course makes it a little bit different, makes it a little bit more unique. Now, over time, these things are a little bit run down, especially the Alcantara parts. And at Germantech, we do replace Alcantara with original Alcantara. Alcantara is a particular brand of sway leather, which is produced in Milan, Italy, and is fully imported. As you can see, these cars look pretty much like they looked like when they left the factory. Leather interior parts have been replaced, panels have been recoated, foams have been reupholstered in order to get them back to their original shape, because over time and in a tropical climate like we have here in Malaysia, it's very well possible that foams just degrade over time. So there is nothing that's not repairable on these vehicles. Here at Germantech, we are specialists in refurbishing vehicles. Come over to Germantech, let us view your car, receive an estimation and see whether there is something that we can do for you.